Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change Bluetooth device name in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to change your Bluetooth device name, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change Bluetooth device name in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you change your Bluetooth device name. So guys, let's start video friends. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your Bluetooth settings. So guys click on your Bluetooth setting. Guys click on your Bluetooth device name. So as you can see, your Bluetooth device name is Xiaomi. Guys you can see rename this name. So you want to rename, so you can rename. So example why we will take it. So as example for we will take it MI phone with capital. And as you can see your Bluetooth device name has changed into MI phone. So like that guys you can change your Bluetooth device name in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like my video. Bye.